said the name no and the Black Queens your dreams here about your World Cup still na no kakra ho and shatters because say nyame adoma na your game against Cote d'Ivoire ni timisha na che still na November ho with the matches kakra na day ni me betumi abono timisha 2027 Women's World Cup so or Brazil no Ghana Black Queens nso betumi akọ na omo akọ akosia kan bi enso dia ma Ghana but ninina no dodo na abegina enne playoff game yebo against Cote d'Ivoire na sa game no before be baso kra no and yakotin sensem bebre allegations of unpaid per diems winning bonus yes qualification bonus bi enso systemu a o sempanifo etuadema mano a omuntuai eno kwa ka ho bi ana ama your performance no kwa na ekofoma or competition ekwa only one game and it will share against Kid Red ya kan na no your board draw and na esanso no etimi ehye no na akoma your performance na se enche da enkostro na sanse se me sha se fly na and sports ministry no enra omonso de krata ade aba ayabontia omonse enyama bi woro ma eso omutwetwe me se momfa sports ministry krata no de aba abonten no emfa ento YouTube in short TV na yahwefo nsomra na omo emekenkan krata no enso ebi na on the issue of air per diem so kenkan krata na sports ministry ade aba na so per diem yetua it is obi gina baby na okase amayon per diem besi na yentua ya no krabia enso enim se per diem from 26th July to 2nd August dia omo ayi per diem ndina adiefo empo amon said the daso wo Morocco ayebebo air playoff no enne from on the 8th mutuama ne kokodru ye no abepim on the 14th which is ochina no sa per diem no so ndina dia aban atwa ndina enso adi afro nti obi gina baby no kaso per diem hihyehyem yentua ntina ma no ebo sa abo na onse no kwabia anim and so share YouTuber player bia ne per diem ehye nanim wasan kama ekire se ye tua ne sika adiama no na player no enso asan kama etini nyina wo ministry no kata no de buy na omo de sa kata no enso attach a statement omo de buy now winning bonus and also enchemu a ministry no de buy and say omo so winning bonus no de no kre ade a eno de sesi a kasa yi sa game ba ko na omo winning against Cape Verde no eno de nkwa but eno no different from air per diem and the four process mu ansana emayo no omo sabetimi aka omo sabetimi aka na sa process na da so a enamu a omo gidi se enchekura no so no metua e de ato emayo no bia bank account a o provide ma ministry no na eno so omo atimi atua now on qualification bonus omo say no de is clear before emano ebe free mamu ha even omo bobo qualifiers no kwa no aban ka tro omo say eno de oman no entimi entua qualification bonus bia emfama emma yo no gitum obi asan say eno de omo je qualification bonus bia enso obo ho enunti aban san enamanfo gina ba bia omo say qualification bonus bi o ba bia o see tua edi amama fe omo say about welfare and also amanfo arrange concerns say team no to see omo team manager ho team administrator ho two physiotherapists awo camps see omo chef ono aduane edema omo including a dietitian two management members medical doctor nurse if I be be my team no omo welfare akosro no bibia ayade aban no any na available nti sansan na number bonten se yentuatu asika bi na yenhwe mani no we ene krata ministry no enso ede aba ayabonte na before for me bam ho na maje monso madwenkyere on this no yentie kem last out of ene yene Cote d'Ivoire game no na afei yemfa starting komono awo Black Queens and so kem last ahead of yene Cote d'Ivoire nation no enso any
important game, of course. We wish that we had an opportunity to play a semi-final, but we are not. So now we need to deal with Ivory Coast to make sure to grab the opportunity to play in the World Cup. It's still a pretty good chance, but it starts tomorrow. So we need to be here and now and prepare in the best way and make sure that we are winning the games. That have been painful for all of us, coaches, leaders, the people that works for Ghana, and of course for the players. It's been tough. So it's been 1-2 days that many people have been a little bit low when it comes to energy. I think, but from today and forward, we need to move on. We need to find the energy.
Okay, I'm very happy. Coach say yes. Bra, yentimi ansha malaria. You free more competition, no. Na my run or down, but what me no makasa because still now the World Cup dream no and shatters are send yetimi eshe e Cote d'Ivoire. Konya ho say ye year ho e betimi enso akobo e World Cup ni binti. Ane na my run do matoto niema ogide say enen ko ne wie yambo game ni wie no na yetimi ashe Cote d'Ivoire na afi dia ka den me ahwe na yetimi abo qualify akwakobo World Cup no enso ebi ayala with the allegations are and it's our rumor yet titi and a kratana ministry dia babonte no the why pan e kan credit chain and am family game no
oh na so me cause hasn't it taken the shine away from the game. There's a why they concentrate on the game on problem. And I'm at 2 a.m. trying to find out what is really happening. Now, me who dear kosuni nyina wie no. Na me come near to so say me babedano. The only feeling I was having was nameraho. Nameraho because, and I think that it reflects in an upper way, me write up on social media about this black and sensitive. Which and when you say asunum you no or kwaye mo. I acquire in a bre. And they say Black Queens as a national team. And the Ministry of Sports and Recreation. Obia befana kotaria she trying to defend the integrity, trying to paint the picture as why they are credible.
But before we go on, I wanted to ask. Statements now, supposedly under the name of Black Queens, Ayoma.
Yes, Ayoma. Yes, there were some players who even uploaded that as a WhatsApp status.
Oh, okay, great.
So it is coming from them. Which say omumi enu nyina be form akotaria sha. Na obia be na say let's find out why na e can no clear one
and they gave the same when foul.
E football ne bebre. Now even before I go into the details, you know, the bottom line and say Rich. De bia me ka say enye mmre nyina ena ntokwa nye. Entokwa bi wo ho a eba na ama yenya ahotoso bi ana say ama yenya not the right word they say expose na ama ya realize say I was see a fix bibi because see I fix sa no na entokwa ne be koso aba e betimi a I di we hu djuma ba enche ebi be sa be biem so we must fix it once and for all. Nti enye mmre nyina ena ntokwanye. Now, ediana me nsem twro kowa amidi e reveal kire me. Say opese uye a very very good job on this issue. You first because ensem no enye se yete wa na bae. A Black Queens na din sem ne bae meboa enti omabobo enuma bi so say ena ha won ena ministry no e de ehwo anu yi aba enti Rich say yesi hu no kura wo mu a yemfa Black Queens nsem na oma atro wo ho no the good thing kwa na say wo form statement na no they've lined up boldly the concerns no oma chocho and some people mbe cheche mu kakra wa ase. Enti yemfa no one by one. First one, almost say more concerns with outstanding bonuses. Including Egypt match or boy in 2025. Now, before we get to the Egypt one, I no clear. Say ministry no at the Black Queens in outstanding bonuses ana. Same training that we interest no. Say Black Queens for the ministry need to make outstanding and no clear sir. Now rich. This is what me Nhyira has revealed to me. Who said the last WAFCON I acquired? You did. Ministry no etia sike bia wo se etuama Black Queens ni bia, but the third place they are from bronze game no ebe seen there that bronze game no is outstanding, and it's a Black Queens can say yeah they are outstanding. It is true, and interestingly sa bronze game you want some making, you know, the third place game no, the response in the ministry in the buy, no, it doesn't touch on it. Because who say Black Queens are specific. Only what generalizing and say there are outstanding bonuses. And it's a also then you have to be specific. But me Fisher Muchi say the third place team of the last WAFCON we send the Black Queens to me and call third place. And no yem chia. Then rich Egypt game no. Say one statement me no one Egypt 2025 obo ha on tiase yen kire na se. Unim say e ma AFCON ya yeboy. Senke yem biemu a enka Egypt go mu mobi o. Because ye no mu qualifiers ye yomo. Ghana ye qualify at the expense of Egypt. Etika Egypt ka tournament ye go mu mobi. Bemum ye bo qualifiers ni wie no. And I can for say ye biemu ye the countries ni bia ka ho. And then the Egypt bar tournament, and then even Cameroon. I could do the finals of a man of Kono when you could have tournament to be. Now, rich, ye ne Egypt match. Home and away, yes, home and away in Egypt. Now, a man say, yes, Egypt home and away, no. You're winning bonus. Yes, Sankai. Yes, Egypt home and away, no. And no sooner am I qualify, yeah. For a man after ye kobo sisi you know, sa qualification bonus no so yen sankan. Now, what is the response of the ministry? Ministry ne say arrangement a omuni football association ni wo no. Bibia ni wa edi adanse ye say e wo se omutua qualification bonus e de ma mabawa no. Rich ye technicalities free. Is that fair? You see, sometimes you know, until I make a say, as soon as you know, the grass in the best of her, we are Ghanaian. The band of what you Krumu has said, Blasters, Akobo qualifiers, national teams are engaging in qualifiers games. But you say, Yentia qualification, and I say winning bonus, Emma almost for winning games. What you mean that?
Already a game, boy.
What ball? Home and away. Now, unim bibi. Say Black Queens say the only time a minister no ever on camp was the Saturday national president by was their first training session. No, they prepare for WAFCON. Now, Rich, if the minister will be very, very fair to this issue, they know conversation Black Queens. No? Did they ask him, the minister, about this Egypt bonus? And what was his response to Mbano? Okay, so they are working on it. And he said, BBNCPA, Obama Maswati, how are no one Ibesiako? Master say, it doesn't have to be, oh, no budget to move, any budget to move. But you know what you're gonna for you. You never know, say, so national team Kobo qualifiers are. No, Musa, you pay them winning bonus.
Practice.
What you say? We don't need to say French him. No, you na Black Stars na ball qualifiers na qualify you saw other thing a man must go after that. Na ministry bet you say ya nyan to say winning bonus since when? And you need to Musa Black Queens qualifiers for my AFCON. Since when? See that by those are the first issues, Now, Rich, then to the issues of per diem. I think he say a man can say or group stage is okay. Or them see them follow the man can. So the Egypt 2025 bonus and the WAFCON qualification bonus on Asam Namakano. You put them together, that issues have been addressed. Group stages bonuses. Rich. Again, ministry in response in Omo right up and they say a man a winning only Cape Verde game no. And you know Omo Gitum said they have to pay them one winning bonus for the group stages bonus no. Into Cape Verde sika no mbetia. And also so no a man in him say the process say the tiano. Yen tiano or tournament and I say yes, the two account. Now Rich. Again, say nyasem na ba. Na ye try to act in good faith. Mibusa ministry no. Last WAFCON na ye koye no. Honorable Kofi Idi Adams was the minister for sports and recreation. The last WAFCON na ye koye no. On one and oh Bibia sign. Sa okay sa tournament na. Your first game you winning. We didn't win our first game. But we ended up winning your next two games, and you qualify from the group Mebwa. Ebani saying sa tournament last year ya onye ade achebia na Honorable Kofi Dianam one na we minister no. You paid $4,500 as qualification bonus from the group stages. What it meant is that though Black Queens and winning all their three games, because in your understanding of the arrangement, only team you won a qualification bonus in Tino, you take it as if they won all. 1,500 per game. You ended up paying Black Queens players, 4,500. Rich Ebani saying just last WAFCON last year with the same minister. You paid qualification bonus. Not this time around. Say nyau bufua. Any some naba. You will not come and say this time around there. Who need only one game that qualify from the group stages and that is no you acting in good faith.
Say this before mobile competition.
Last point. Same way. I am trying to say you have to act in good faith.
Okay.
And it's a Uchiha qualification bonus, the last WAFCON. Not just within 1 year, you say come from. Now if you buy the catch and say, oh, when I'm boy and the game back last time you winning games in but you paid us all our money because only you to say you will check qualification bonus. Now Rich, it is our issue, and also the ministry response is not in good faith.
Okay. And
someone must be able to tell them. Then which assembly outstanding per diem. Rich, a man say yeah the omoka outstanding per diem. Ministry say but this is evidence say tuamo.
The sheet aba
what sign?
Bia di ho ya sign.
Now
sikano so say nimu.
Now for omo only the video the pictures of ministry no release mama nchuo say the group stages the group stages ni per diem your game against Cape Verde, your games against Cameroon, your games against which was your last Mali. And they 1,300 no. And then your group stages per diem. Number of days I would do a camp. And see if I say omudi 13 days because $100 per day. And see so our first one was 1,300 will be assigned and your group stages per diem. Now your both group stages new year no. Obakaya. Ena ye ball Mali as ye knockout stage game to one game penny abo. Ena ye tina the same Morocco abo Ivory Coast ene. Sir between the 8th
and no tina 14th.
Yes. And no me per the checks I made. You obi oni mi bi enim say me I don't like to flame eja sento kwa ba na me be bojam na gidi. Rich, the bottom line is that there were back and forth whether ministry will pay for some extra stay after the Mali game. The Mali team had to make the case. Say, it is part of the national team duty in the air. Because we came here to qualify for the World Cup. And if I know so back and forth in who here. At the end of the day, the ministry na just to say, "Ombetia, I'm almost so much yes can me boa." And say about per diem, a man can stand anywhere to say, "Ministry need to omoka." It has been paid, and we see your signatures there. Our sign
$700.
Aside 1,300 na what up per diem of Udes Awakodi our camp honum. And that issue has been settled. And ya me I am babu jam and send a normal to call ehunya. Yetia enti emano sa part of sa portion of complaints enye no kre sikano monsaka enti it has been dealt with. Now reach the conclusion of this.
I not me fentwa me umra na time no.
Say money raise issues say I say more issues with management. The management committee that say nisi omodeka. They don't even trust them. I say ntimi encarry omu sentiments in ma omo. Now, this is why it is so. A man of Korea Ekoboy, it was supposed to be played in March. Obekaya. And my man started preparation way back. Ekobo pink ladies cap B. Ewo Dubai. Emma Nancy warrior baba ya. You go to bomb ya. Yes, you remember. Rich. Last a man of Konomo Koyen. The winning bonus was 1,500. A man boy, I don't say 1,500 there. I was from through the FA. Munkancha by say ye pen to mu or 1,000 count na enko 2,500. In the budget FA a ministry for this a man after the proposed bonus winning bonus for Mbano a 2,500. Now rich omode koma omo tournament na wo see e bono match no omoko bo pink ladies cap we ye ntawantawa bae na entokwadinti caf say oma postpone game no echo time ya nei omo boni rich from that time no omo ye budget thinking said the competition was going to be played in March ebesi enne ye maba one work camp no say maba one busa omo management committee for ne say winning bonus kra na ye tournament ya ba ya we winning bonus the kra no sana yenim say 1,500 from mutia yes some from go 2,000 mude koma o mo no the approved budget ya dia ba krom ha no say na ye tia no the committee can't tell them because they don't know omunim enti sa even the ministry no so metu ya ke very there no Emaba wanu any omu management committee doesn't know okay Kevin the nkwa na obechi one pa one saying is it the old 1,500 or is it request fako 2,000 and what they don't know enti afi uti ase di enti a man say because some no management committee na nam rich na me busa the question say ade ere ma mo no matimi aye no mu nya answers man ya eti se gidie bi enim
entwa humra e basisi
amuzu garlic bitters ma moja di afru sani ye